Man, it has been a while since we started a video at the garage, but what's up guys? I'm at my house right now. I got Waggo buttoned up last night, got the drive shaft on, wheels and tires, topped it off with coolant, and I actually drove her home last night. She is sitting in my driveway with a car cover over it because I don't have any more space in my garage to pull it in, and I wanted to cover it up for the night in case it were to rain or snow. But I'm going to uncover her soon, get her warmed up, and I'm getting ready to head over to the shop. But I figured I would fire up the hatch for you guys. I'd fire up the Rowdicey as well if it had a VTEC solenoid, but there is no VTEC solenoid because I had to steal it for the hatch a while ago, and also the blow-off valve is on Waggo. So the Rowdicey needs a couple parts before it's back up and running again. I do have another VTEC solenoid that I got for it, so I don't have to keep stealing the one off that for the hatch, but nothing too much has really changed with the hatch. She's just been chilling in the garage. I still need to fix the fan wire and the alternator wire. I still have to manually plug those in every time before I go drive it. So simple fix, just need to do that. You guys know me. I take forever to fix the most simple things that can literally be fixed in like 5 minutes. But yeah, the hatch has just been chilling right here. I'm actually charging the battery. I put it on charge last night, and I figured I'd fire it up for you guys since you haven't seen her in a while. She definitely deserves some love, and she will be getting love soon, guys. Don't worry, I'm just really busy with the MR2 right now and the Honda and all the other projects we got going on, but the hatch is gonna get some love. The Rowdicey is gonna get some love. I just need to get the first gear fixed on that Sainz gear set for the Rowdicey and get that thrown back in there. Right now it has the stock transmission, which is fine to drive it around, but I know if we try to race this thing with the stock tranny, it's just going to grenade it. So all I need to do is get that other gear set fixed and throw it back in there, and then we can get the Rowdicey back up and going. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the hatch. It's probably been about a month since this thing is fired up. It is pretty cold in here, so it might take a few cranks to get this thing up and running. Hopefully the little battery has enough charge. So while the hatch warms up, I'm gonna go ahead and take the cover off of Waggo and get ready to head over to the shop. We need to get some new wheels for Waggo so we can put these back on the hatch, because it is sitting on some jack stands right now because we stole them for Waggo. I'm so happy to have this car back, guys. Oh, oh, oh. Goes. It was a little cold last night. Don't worry guys, I missed the hatch too. She will have her spotlight once again, but for now we do have some other projects we need to get done. She looks so good. Just pulled up to the shop in Waggo, and look who it is. He's back. He's rocking that Boostedboiz merch. You got that merch. You got the hat, shirt, you got it all.
Got the J's on the
and you got the J's on.
Watch. I'm gonna have to go change real quick. Hold on a second.
His outfit's on point today. And Emilio's over here cleaning out Purple Rain.
Gotta clean out the daily every now and then, you know.
Getting her all nice and fresh. I need to take notes because that's something I don't do.
Yeah. It bothers me when it gets too dirty. I feel like I feel dirty. You know?
I mean, if you want to clean Waggo out for me, feel free.
I don't.
And I just paid to get mine done. I should have just had him do it.
I mean, you'd have to pay me too.
Well, you ready to paint some stuff today?
I guess so. At least prep it up and get it ready for tomorrow.
I know everyone's asking to see the bathroom again. I don't know why they're so obsessed with it. But they want bathroom updates and shop updates.
I just got back. I've been busy doing other things.
He's been busy with his life.
Yeah.
You have some DMs to reply to.
Yeah.
Woo! That is dusty. Wow, nice joke. It says this department has worked blank days without accidents, and someone wrote Kyle was an accident.
Who wrote that, bro? I would never say that. It looks so much better with my hair.
Yeah. gonna look so good with some paint.
What you got to trade, bro? What do you got? You got the original, bro? These have M&Ms in them, bro. You gotta give me 2 of those, and I'll give you 1 of these.
Yo, you done ate them all.
Bro, I haven't had 1 of these yet. He keeps saying I ate them all, but he's had 18 of them.
Box. I've been looking for the M&Ms.
Here, bro. Happy birthday. Have them both. You gotta eat it on camera right now. So
I just
show
don't
how
want
good it is. Bro, he's had like 5 already, dude.
I have not ate one with.
Oh no, you haven't ate one.
No, I haven't.
This is first M&M one.
Perfect.
This guy here is gonna try to crush this can.
All right, so we got some more packages from you guys. We're gonna go ahead and open them up. We got a couple envelopes and 3 more boxes. These do not look like they are from Prime Pantry, so unfortunately we're not getting more food. But I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Food is nice though.
No, man, we're gonna be fat in here, dog. If we keep getting those.
Yeah, we'll open these up real quick. Yeah, Pedro's eating like all the Rice Krispies.
Look.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
Oh, no.
What is that, dude? What is that?
The first bag. Dude, take a wild guess.
How can I guess what's in there?
It's food.
Is it?
Yeah, right.
Oh no.
It's nothing but the marshmallows from like Lucky Charms, I think.
Weren't you talking about that the other day? Straight.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, it is.
It's marshmallows from
Straight
cereal.
marshmallows.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, cereal marshmallows. This is right there on the back. So I was wrong. We do have some more food in these. Okay, so we got some cereal marshmallows.
You can put that in your coffee, bro.
Missing. Have you seen this socket?
Oh man.
Last seen 5 minutes ago. 10 mil. We got 2 of them, dude.
Hey, Unc didn't even see the 10 mils that we got sent to us, did he? I'll show it to you.
XL and medium. I am a large, by the way, but I'm assuming they thought I was medium because I'm very slender.
You are,
but I can fit your medium.
Bro, you didn't see the 10s that they sent us? Show them the 10s real quick. So you...
Yeah, all the 10 mils. We need more 10 mils, guys. We only got 30 of them.
10 mils.
I want this whole tray just packed with 10 mils, so we'll never lose one again.
This guy sent us a bunch of them.
Hi, Boosted Boys. Hope this helps you find your 10 millimeters when you need it. From Jeremy. He's from Colorado. He's down in Pueblo. He's only a few hours away from us. Thank you, Jeremy. Oh, more food, dude.
Oh my
No,
God.
it's all Japanese.
What?
Oh, that is bad.
It's all Japanese food.
Oh, it's candy, huh?
Candy, yeah.
What is that, dude?
It's like straight from Japan.
Open
Like
one
dry
up, man.
food.
Hi, Jamie and the boys. Love the laughs and content. I had to keep it JDM, so I got you all some Japanese snacks. Keep the boost coming. The shop looks amazing. So happy for the whole family out there. From Scooter.
From Scooter.
That's Scooter with 2 T's.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you, man.
What is that, dude?
Those are probably rice cakes for our Hondas. Little mini cola.
That's definitely from Brent.
That's for Brent right there. That's so sick. Okay, we'll try some of this stuff later.
Yeah.
There's so
Here in a
many
second
different
while
types.
we paint the walls. That's so sick. More food,
Dude.
all food. It's all food.
These people think that you guys were starving or something?
I thought this was gonna be some more like parts or something because they were in like regular looking boxes.
Let's see what's in there,
Some
dude.
more food. I'll read the note first. Aloha, boys. Just sending you an aloha package. Been watching you for a while now. Love the videos. Keep up the good work. Aloha from Kevin.
And Zoom.
Kevin and Zoom.
Damn. So this is from Hawaii.
Oh, it is from Hawaii.
Yes, a Hawaii package.
The Cookie Lady Hawaii.
Dang, this is probably
Cornflake
some
cookies.
some really good stuff here.
Choco mochi.
Choco mochi.
Choco mochi.
Choco mochi.
Bro.
I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's 1.5 pounds of chocolate.
Damn.
So that's for you, Pedro.
Oh,
Look at all. Oh, no way.
Oh, I'm gonna put one of those in
my
Hondaru.
God.
oh yeah.
It's for Hondaru.
It's for Hondaru. Oh yeah.
Hondaru, Waggo. No way.
Oh, that's going
Show
in.
enough.
Oh, that's going in for sure.
It's a little
The hula
dashboard.
dancer.
Dashboard
it's
hula
the
dolls.
Hula dolls.
Hula dog.
Dude, those are sick.
Those are.
I'll put one in Waggo for sure.
Yeah, I'll
That
put
one's
one.
for you, Hondaru, and then it's Brent's birthday today.
Oh yeah, it is.
So this is a present for Brent. Little hula girl for showing up. Imagine this one showing up. It's gonna be like,
Bro, there's a lot of good things. What is this? Bro.
Happy coated.
What is this? Beef jerky? Oh, that's
Korean barbecue pork.
Oh, I love me some
my
beef jerky,
God,
dog.
dude.
We're gonna have to open that up.
They're stepping up the quality.
Yeah, this is a quality box right
This is
here,
a
dude.
quality one.
There's a bunch of them.
Yo, there's a license plate at the bottom.
Oh, no way.
That's sick.
That is sick.
We'll have to hang that up somewhere. That's awesome, dude. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we appreciate that, Kevin and Zoom.
At this rate, I'm guessing this one actually might be food.
It might not.
Hey guys, since I saw Kyle try to run off with that 4-pack, here's 24 to keep you all awake and wrenching.
Oh, I know
guys
what those
awesome.
are.
Keep it up. Peace out, J-Rod.
Those are the monsters, dog.
Oh, monster. 24 monsters. Dude.
Try running with those. Those
You
are heavy.
Hooking it up. Look at all these monsters. I've never seen so many.
I didn't even know they came in packs like that.
24 monsters. Damn, we're gonna get diabetes.
We're gonna have to like make a pantry for all this stuff.
Yeah.
In the
Hey,
kitchen.
Can you build us a custom pantry?
Yeah, we need a custom
In
one.
return, you can have whatever you'd like.
Well, first, right now, I want to find something that I want to chomp down from this Chinese stuff.
The Japanese candy.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, they got the cigarettes, bro.
Those are sick.
All right, guys, so we're getting ready to start painting the walls. Pedro's up on the ladder right there. We got the little painter all set up with our bucket of paint. We're just using the same paint that we used for our upstairs. It's like a really light gray. And we went ahead and got everything we don't need off the walls. There was a whole bunch of pipes that we didn't need. Like there was one right here. You can see the outline of that. It's on the ground. Got that out of the way. We had a whole bunch of signs over the doors. We had like that chalkboard you could write on. There was one over there. We just took everything off the walls that we didn't need, and it already looks a lot more cleaned up like that. And then we still have to get some stuff off the wall back here by the bench and where the toolbox is, but we're gonna wait on that wall for now. Since we got this wall all cleaned up, we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see how this one comes out. And then we'll just keep going from there. We got a tarp on the MR2 so we don't get any overspray on it. And yeah, we're ready to go. Pedro's in work mode. That's a lot better than the paint rollers.
It's gonna look so different.
It took us like 2 hours to do that.
I know.
He's gonna be done with that in like 10 minutes.
Whoa. Robin. Oh man, already, dude.
Already messing up my paint job.
Oh man. Is that you too, bro?
No, for real?
On the, it's cool, it's paint. You'd be alright. Bro, Kyle has it all over his back.
All over.
Damn. I guess you had to get a new hoodie from Trevor.
I get a new motion on it.
We need 2 of them. We've been wearing them way too much.
Dude, it looks so different now. Yeah, it's really not that gray. I thought it was gonna be a little more of a gray. It's definitely white.
It's like an off-white.
But that's just our first coat.
Well, yeah, that's the first coat. Tomorrow I'll shoot it again.
Go over
It's
it.
gonna bleed through a couple spots, and then now we can fix whatever's messed up on the walls.
Dude, it still looks so much different in here now. We don't have that ugly brown anymore.
Brown was like draining, dude. It was like taking up space.
Yeah,
Looks
no,
way
it
better.
looks so nice now. The walls look all cleaned up. It's still really wet, so we gotta let it dry. Damn, once we get our banners hung up and
Yeah,
everything like that, it's gonna really pop. Yeah, and we were thinking to do like the bottom half like a darker gray, and then do like a stripe, like a red stripe, to connect that to the white and leave the upper half how it is.
Yeah.
Something like that. You can still see on the camera how white it is, all the light reflecting off of it, but it came out really nice. Yeah, what else does the bathroom need, Pedro? They need an update. They've been asking forever.
No, I gotta finish grouting.
Just finish the grout. We just gotta paint these walls too, and
We gotta paint the walls and put a door up here.
we still need to get the faucets and stuff like that.
Yeah, for the shower head. And then we have to get a fart fan. Yeah, put one up there or something.
This is the only time Kyle's cars get a wash. When it rains out.
All right, well, we got the walls all painted, or at least Pedro did. Thank you very much. It was all him.
Jumping in the car. We start laughing.
Oh, you're trying to make him laugh?
Making me feel uncomfortable, you know?
It was all Pedro, though. He got our walls painted. They're looking really good. You said you're going to come back tomorrow and do some more layers, right?
Yeah, tomorrow I'll come back, and then you wanted to do some gray.
Yeah, I can run to Home Depot if we can get some gray right there.
So we'll figure that out tomorrow, see if we can pick up a couple gallons and do that.
Yeah, because I do like the white, but I feel like we're going to get it way too dirty. Yeah, bottom half would be nice to have it gray, so then you can't see our fingerprints and stuff on it as much. But yeah, it's looking way better. A lot better than that ugly brown for sure. We pulled so much stuff off the walls. And as you can see, it's still drying. You can see the reflection off the light. It's still a little wet, so we're going to leave the heater on overnight to let it dry. I also pulled Wago in because it started raining outside, and I don't want to drive it home in the rain with no hood. I did also get the headlight fixed. Don't think I showed that. So that's looking really good. Just got to get the bumper thrown back on there, and then I got to figure out what I'm going to do about a hood later on. But at least Wago's back up and running. I drove it to my house yesterday, and she is cruising great. I'm going to wait for Brent to get back so we can retune it, because the tune is a little off because it's still on the tune from when we were in Texas. But he is gone right now. It is actually his birthday, and he is in Vegas, so be sure to tell Brent happy birthday. Yeah, we have some stuff waiting for you when you get back. Yeah, and also thanks to everyone for sending the food. I know these guys were loving it.
Bro, I had one piece of everything out of the Hawaii stuff, and
Pedro ate all the Rice Krispies.
the Japanese. Yeah, he did.
I almost did.
Right there.
He told me off camera that he was the little kid that would steal the marshmallows out of the cereal boxes. So we're gonna give him
We're gonna give it to him.
the bag of marshmallows. Those are all you. You can just munch on them all day.
Tearing them up.
But yeah, can't thank you guys enough. Definitely feel free to send more snacks. What do you want, Pedro?
Ritz cookies.
Ritz cookies?
Crackers.
For my cup.
For the coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
And we got to get started on your Civic soon.
Yeah.
Got to pull that motor out.
Asking about that, so yeah, we gotta pull the motor out. Hopefully we can do that soon.
Yeah, I mean, especially with you helping us paint our walls, we'll got to get the Honda in here and start pulling it apart.
I've been into my little RC stuff, so that's been taking my time up for a little bit.
Well, guys, that is going to be it for tonight. Shop is looking much better. Definitely a lot more to do, but that's where we're calling it. Thanks for the help. I know they're going to be happy to see you back.
See you guys on the next one.